Alrighty everyone, so today we're focusing on converting customary units of length. We're going to be focusing on yards, feet, and inches for today's lesson. You'll see next to each I put the abbreviation, so yards is YD, feet is FT, and inches is IN. Those are just the abbreviations for each of these measurements. Okay, so before we get into anything, we are going to be focusing on yards to feet first. We need to know that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So in order to get from yards to feet, you need to multiply by 3, and to go from feet to yards, you would do the inverse, so you would divide by 3. Alrighty, now sit back, relax, and enjoy my teaching. Okay, so we are going to do some conversions. We are going to start off with 4 yards. So remember, to go from yards to feet, I need to multiply by 3. So I'm simply going to do 4 times 3. If I do my multiples, 4, 8, 12, so 4 times 3 is equal to 12, so 4 yards is equal to 12 feet. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Let's try one together. Okay, so say we have 9 yards. We want to find how many feet are in 9 yards. So what do we have to do? Think about that. If you said multiply 9 by 3, you were absolutely correct. So 9 times 3 is 27, so therefore 9 yards is equal to 27 feet. Alrighty, my smarty pants, it is time for the challenge question. We're gonna start with feet. So if we have 18 feet, what do we have to do in this case? Will you get it right? Only time will tell. If you said we need to divide by 3, you were absolutely right. So 18 divided by 3 is 6, so 6 yards is equal to 18 feet. Okay, so now we're going to move into feet to inches. It's important to note that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, and to get from feet to inches, you need to multiply by 12, and to go from inches to feet, you need to divide by 12. Again, sit back, relax, and enjoy the model. We are going to convert from feet to inches. So if I have 2 feet, I know to go from feet to inches, I need to multiply by 12. So I'm going to go, or multiply 2 times 12. In order to solve for that, I know multiplication is the same as repeated addition, so I could go 12 plus 12, and that will give me 24. Okay, let's do another example. So if we have 8 feet, we know to get from feet to inches, we need to multiply by 12, so that would be 8 times 12. This is a 1-digit number by a 2-digit number, so what we can do is we can multiply using the area model. What I did here is I broke up the 12 into expanded form, so I have my 10s and my 1s. 1 10 is equal to 10, and there's 2 1s, which is 2. So I'm going to do my 8 times 10, which gives me 80. And then I am going to multiply 8 by 2, which gives me 16. Now I'm going to add those two products on the inside. So 80 plus 16 gives me 96. So 8 times 12 is equal to 96. Therefore, 8 feet is equal to 96 inches. Alright guys, you made it to the end of the lesson. You can use this last segment as a reference sheet. It's just everything we went over as a one-stop shop. I really hope this helped you all.